So we work really long days and sometimes a lot inside. So it's always important to take in the beautiful scenery when we get places like this. Yeah, and I really love this job because every day is different, even though you're doing the same route. But every single day along the route is different things you need to do, different things to see, different things to talk about. And then every journey is different as well because you have a new group of people who are seeing it for the first time. So you get to experience it through their eyes as well. It's just so peaceful, you know?
Today we are crossing the Arctic Circle, and that happened super early. So yesterday evening we drew straws, and I drew the short one. So that means I have to get up early to call the captain, find out when we're crossing, and then make an announcement, meet everyone outside on deck. Good morning, dear guests. In a few minutes we will be passing into the Arctic.
Morning. It's a little bit windy and cold, so I think a few people have chosen to stay inside. But this is pretty good. And actually quite nice weather as well. All right, get ready to cross in just a few seconds, ladies and gentlemen. We just crossed the Arctic Circle. Now we are officially in the Arctic. And that's what this globe here is marking. All of a sudden it got a bit colder. I think everyone could feel it. Then we have our Arctic Circle celebration ceremony a little bit later. Time for your first Arctic ceremony. Time to get changed.
Who he needs, that is the Old Norse god of the Vikings, god of the sea. His name is Njord. 1, 2, 3!
Out of my way! You are coming! Get out of my way, sir! It's a very serious job.
We are in the crew mess. This is where we have 3 hot meals a day. And today for lunch we have risensgrynsgrøt, which is milk rice porridge. And then we can know what the passengers had for dinner the day after because it shows up in our salad bar. So we get the good leftovers. This is one of the busier days with the Arctic Circle crossing and then a lot of other passenger-focused things. Yeah, good to have this space to wind down when you're facing the guests all day, and then kind of like have a bit of a breather down here. And we do get good food. And we're down on deck 1, so below there are no passengers living down here. We're all the way at the bottom of the ship, and that's where you get these really cool views. Check this out. And here you really get an impression of how fast you're really going. Ici avec ma collègue. History walk in Tromsø, yeah? So you get off the ship and then you walk into the terminal and we will be waiting there. Bodø, we got a bunch of excursions to send. So some people are going on an Arctic coastal walk, bus trip to Saltstraumen, tidal current, and we're also sending a bunch of people on a rib to go to the current. Voila. All right, would you like to sit here? Bye-bye. All right, that's them off. So sometimes we have a little bit of downtime, guests are away doing something, so then we can do some research, work on lectures, updating the daily gathering. So that's like every day we invite the guests into the conference hall and then we tell them what's going on today, what's going on tomorrow, importantly weather forecast, do we have any waves coming up, and then we'll tell them a little thing about like local culture where we are, maybe a local news story, art and music from the coast, that kind of stuff. Here's our little storeroom. Probably shouldn't be showing you in here, but actually now it's looking relatively tidy at the moment, so I don't feel too bad. And here we have our little wall of fame, I guess. Some letters from guests and from old colleagues or people that we've had visiting and stuff like that. What else do we got in the store? We got our Norwegian flags, of course. So here we have our hiking bags with everything we need. We have our spikes for winter season hiking here. So we can take people out even in slippery conditions. And downstairs we have like snowshoes. So we take people snowshoe hiking as well.
To guests, just a brief reminder of our tiny talks. I think there's a couple of topics that will interest you.
Emanuel and I are going to present 3 different topics each, simultaneously in different languages, in different rooms, and then we switch and do the same thing again. So it's like speed dating for multilingual lecturing. Yeah. And Svenja is going to be our timekeeper. Okay?
I'm best at this
You have
from
to do
German.
that. That's time to go.
Fine sounds.
Wow, thank you very much, that was my time. Okay, next. Großeltern zusammen. Und ich glaube, das war das beste Minute. Vielen Dank, das war nicht überschaubar. Dankeschön. Go, 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 go. Okay, here we are. And you're not allowed to take the trousers off until the Russen time is over.
Deswegen haben wir heutzutage 2 offizielle Sprachen in Norwegen.
Det går både vinter och vår, både vinter och vår.
Last minute.
So, das ist finito, das Abhergehen. Vielen Dank. Dankeschön. Dankeschön. That was Tiny Talks.
Yes.
Good.
Well done.
That's so fun.
It is.
Yeah. Join in some singing? Yes, I'll be there. Yes, come on in. Oh, what shall we do with a drunken sailor? What shall we do with a drunken sailor? What shall we do with a drunken sailor early in the morning? Yellow! Very good. You guys understood very well how that works. Okay, we're going to warm you up. Repeat after me. La, la, la. La, la, la. This is a pulling song. This is so everyone is pulling at the same time. I thought I heard the old man say, John Kanakanakatulai. Soon may the weatherman come to bring us sugar and tea and yellow. One day when the tongue is done, we'll take our leave and go. Hey! Merci beaucoup. Now you can take all that energy and go up to the bar and continue. Okay, so keep singing all night. Thank you very much. Merci. So we're down on deck 2 now, which is where most of the crew have their quarters. And we usually work 12-hour days, so on the evenings where it's not too late or too much waves, then try to come here for a workout. This is the crew gym, so no passengers around here. So this is pretty much end of the evening. After this, I might go and have a sauna around the corner and then go to bed. So I hope you guys got a little impression of what it's like on board one of the Hurtigruten ships. But now, gonna finish up here. This is just for crew. So, time for bed. See you later. Good night.
So if you want to know what it's really like sailing the Norwegian coast, watch this video next. And find out more about our voyages at the link in the description.